Just came out of a meeting and wanted to share 6 tips to make your meetings more effective. Hi, I'm Caria, your digital strategist. So the first thing to do is clarify who actually needs to be there and think about if you're needed to be there. Only attend meetings that you need to be there for. Always have an agenda. What is the meeting about? Put it in the calendar invite or in the notes and what the accepted outcomes are. Short meetings are really epic. I mean, if you can make meetings less than 30 minutes, unless they need to be an hour, try and keep them as short as possible. A great way to do internal meetings is have a 15-minute stand-up to brainstorm ideas. Now, these should only take 15 minutes to do an update and answer questions. Scheduling times. Now, when I schedule meetings, do the exact time. A good tip that I've learned recently is instead of having it at 12, have it at 11:45 or quarter past the hour. This will ensure people show up on time and be on time. Show up on time. Start the meeting no matter what time it's supposed to start. Just start it. And with Zoom meetings, turn your camera on and connect. Seriously, keep your cameras on during Zoom meetings. Look at the focus of the camera because the more personal it is, it's better for face-to-face meetings. Now, I hope you found these tips useful. I hope you do, and share this with someone who could benefit from these 5-minute marketing tips. And if you want to work with me, please get in touch. I also have a marketing mentor program and I'd love to work with you. Until next time, peace. For more epic marketing resources for small business owners and sole traders, visit cariawhat.com.